When a user visits the website, they land on a product page and can calculate the product's price by selecting parameters such as print run, size, format, and paper type, all of which affect the final cost. The calculation is based on the settings configured for each product in the Production Products section of the platform. In addition to pricing parameters, this section also contains settings for the product's visual presentation, its dimensions and weight for delivery calculation, and integrations with applications that allow the user to upload or create a design directly on the website, for example using the Smart Uploader or Constructor apps. Upon entering this section, you will see a list of all products available on the website. Folder icons and bold text indicate product categories. Products that do not belong to any category are listed separately. For instance, the product Flyers is not assigned to a category, while Mugs is found under the Merchandise category. Categorizing products is useful for both users and administrators. With a large product range, it is impossible to display the entire list on the homepage of your website. Moreover, category pages are valuable for SEO, as search engines prioritize them over individual product pages, offering users better browsing options. To open a category, double-click on it. This will display the products it contains. Clicking the menu icon on a category or product row gives you two options: Settings or Remove. Please note that removing is irreversible. The categories and products shown on the platform are for demonstration purposes only. Your new website will not include them by default. You will need to create them manually. At the top of the product list, there are buttons to create a new category or a new product. This area also displays statistical data, the total number of categories and products, as well as their conversion rate. Conversion is the ratio of views to orders. For example, if a product has 100 views on the website and 2 orders, the conversion rate is 2%. This metric is shown for each category and each product in this column. In the top right corner, there is a product ID search field. Each product has a unique identifier. To find it, double-click on the product. The ID will appear in the top left corner. If needed, you can display the product ID on the website for the convenience of users and administrators. The concept of basic price will be covered separately in the product pricing tutorial videos. On the demo website, views and orders count will likely be 0. In the general list, there are 2 product status indicators: visibility and availability. Visibility means the product or category is shown on the website. If visibility is disabled, the item remains in the list but is hidden from the public website. However, it is still accessible via a direct link. This is useful for temporarily hiding promotional products or working with wholesale-only products. Availability determines whether users can access the product at all, even via a direct link. If availability is disabled, the product is completely inaccessible, both through the website and through external applications. These settings can be configured via the Settings section, which you can access by double-clicking the product name or by clicking the menu item. You can reorder categories and products by dragging them with the left mouse button. For example, let's move photo book to the top of the product list and check the result on the website. You can rearrange products within a category or move them from the No Category list to a specific category. To move a product into a category, click and hold the product name, drag it to the desired category, wait for it to expand, allow the products to load, and then release the mouse button in the desired position. The product will be moved. It is important to understand that the same product can exist in multiple categories, and categories can be structured hierarchically by nesting them within each other. Products include checkboxes for performing bulk actions. Categories do not have them, as bulk operations and cloning are not supported for categories. Select multiple products to open the bulk action menu at the bottom of the list, with options like clone, clone to another website, and delete. For effective online product representation, especially when using aggregators like Google Shopping, which is integrated, it is important to provide as many product variations as possible. For example, instead of a single summer t-shirt product, it is better to create separate products like women's t-shirt, men's t-shirts, and kids' t-shirts with different styles. To avoid configuring each product from scratch, use the clone feature. All settings will be preserved, and you will only need to adjust specific fields. Select Clone and click Apply. Cloned products will appear in the main list with a clone label. To edit them, use the Settings icon or double-click the product. The cloned product becomes independent. Changes to the original product will not affect the clone, and vice versa. The clone to another website function is especially useful for companies with multiple websites. Select the desired products, click Clone to another website, then Apply. Choose the target website and click Clone Products.